Hello everyone! I can hear what you guys say. Animation rendering can be time-consuming, yes. But how can you animate something simple like this? Without spending much time in rendering a whole animation video, we'll see how to do that in this video. Open up your model. Let's open up the asset editor and select Settings, under Render Output Settings. Let's use the safe frame to define the area we are going to render. We shall set the aspect ratio for our final image. Now that the scene is ready, we will go to Render Elements tab, under Asset Editor and select Lightmix. Under the options, change this to Group Instances. Now with this all set, we shall start the render. We have the final render with us now. With this light mix option turned on, we have the ability to turn on and off individual lights. With this ability, we shall turn off the light that we don't want and save a sequence of images that we need for the animation. Now that we have the images, import those into your favorite video editor. I'm going to use Adobe Premiere Pro. Import all the images into the timeline. Under Video Transitions and Effects panel, let's add the effect, cross-dissolve and extend the duration of the transition so that it is smooth. With all the transitions done, we'll add audio and now export it into MP4 file. There you go. That's how I created this animation using Lightmix images, and you can do it too. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And as always, happy rendering!